This is a guided article example on descriptive statistics. The learning objectives is to use Microsoft Excel to find the following: graphical summaries, pie chart, bar chart, and histogram. Numerical summaries: mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and range. Part A. Constructing graphical summaries. When constructing pie charts and bar charts, we need to firstly find the frequency distribution tables. Using the frequency distribution table, the pie chart and bar chart can be constructed. First, we download the data file. In this data file, there are job sector of customer visiting the mall, the age of the customer, the number of times of the customer visit the mall in a month, the gender of the customer, household income of the customer, and the amount they spend per month in the mall. I now show you how to construct a pie chart using the number of people in different job sectors. First is to form a frequency distribution table. Type the header job sector in cell H3 and frequency in cell I3. Then type the job sector IT engineering in cell H4, business finance in cell H5, and others in cell H6. Now we go to column H first, then third cell H3. You can see from the diagram H3 here. And then we type the title job sector. So job sector, and then in the cell, so we can extend the length of the cell first. Okay, let me extend it for a little bit here, drag it. Then the I3, we have the frequency, number of how many of them are in each sector. So let me drag this a bit here to show you bigger space. There is H3 and I3. Now in H4, you enter the sector IT and engineering combined. Then there's H4. Then in H5, you have business and finance sector. And H6, you have others. Now we count the number of persons in the IT or engineering sector. So in using the formula, count if, then I want to select the range of data from A2, job sector A2, and when it all is now A2 now, and then column to A, the last row is Control Shift downwards, so get A201 now, then comma, I want this, calculate the number of persons in the IT and engineering sector into cell H4. So I enter H4, comma H4, then close the bracket, then press enter button. then you'll see that they are all together 103 of them in the IT or engineering sector. Now, I want to keep this range of data in job sector. So what I'm going to do, put a dollar sign to keep this fixed now. So I put a dollar sign, and then after for A, dollar sign, after A, 2, and then a dollar sign before a dollar sign after 201. This will keep the data of job sector fixed because I want to repeat this formula for business and finance sector. Now, look at the formula again. The formula has changed already. Alright. Now I put a cursor, you see a plus sign under the data 103. Then drag the plus sign using the shift button, drag down, and then you'll see that the number of person in the business and finance sector and other sector will show. Let go the plus sign, you see that 59 of them in the business and finance sector and others 38 of them. You can also copy the formula of IT engineering sector to here. So for example, I can delete the data here. Then I go to here, Control C, copy the formula, move to here, Control V. Then you can find that this will be 59 of them. Copy the same formula again, Control V again, then get 38. So you can using this method to fill up the table to find out, okay, how many are actually in the different sector. Now I will show you how to construct a pie chart from the cell H4, H5, H6, and I4, I5, I6 for IT engineering, business, finance, and others, and their frequency respectively. Then select the insert and select the 2D pie chart. Select H4, I4, H5, I5, H6, I6. Then insert a 2D pie chart. So I'm looking for pie chart here. So pie chart, 2D pie chart. So you can see the 2D pie chart here. And you'll see the different color, IT and engineering. There are 52% of them. And this one is the gray is others, 38 of them, 19%. And then business and finance, 59 of them, 30%. So right click, add data label. Then you see that the number show up. To convert the frequency, the percentage value at data level, click on More option. And then use the under format data labels options and take the value and take percentage. the percentage of the frequency are now shown, and the chart will show the percentage instead. Now we go to the pie chart, right click, then right click, you can format the data label. Then instead of the value, we click on percentage. So the percentage will be shown as well. Alright, so let's see the percentage now. So you can actually do two numbers there. 103, which is 51%, 38, which is 19%, and 59, which is 30%. Of course, you can actually, if you don't want both the value, you can right click again, format data label. So instead of value, I can take the get the value and tick here. Then you can see that only percentage is shown. So if you want percentage and the value show, you can also tick both.